welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm the publisher, Lindy Hewson, and this week's bulletin is brought to you by Curry Group. Well, we're spoiled for choice with big news stories this week. We'll start with packaging and recycling giant Visy, which has announced a $35 million upgrade of its Laverton Glass Recycling Centre in a clear endorsement of the Andrews Labour government's new container deposit scheme scheduled to come on stream in 2023 and to reduce Victoria's litter by half. The proposed Visy upgrade will create new jobs, double the centre's recycling capacity from 100,000 tonnes of glass each year to 200,000, equivalent to 150 glass bottles recycled for every Victorian every year. Now, once this upgrade is complete, the new facility will be able to sort glass down to 3 millimetres in size from 10 millimetres previously, boosting recycling opportunities and diverting even more glass from landfill. The additional recycled glass will be made into new jars and bottles for Australian food and beverage companies, and it will also be used in asphalt and road base works. Now, moving from glass to paper, Woolworths' national rollout of paper shopping bags manufactured by Australian paper packaging converter Detpack is hitting its straps and has seen the creation of 25 new jobs and investment in new packaging machinery at Detpack's South Australia facility. Now, following the announcement in December last year that Woolworths would be onshoring its paper bag manufacturing in a multi-million-dollar partnership with Detpack, the rollout has begun in earnest, with the locally made bags now available in the retailers' Victoria, Tasmania and Western Australia stores. Bags have been, of course, available in South Australia and Northern Territory since last year. Now, the investment in local manufacturing has been significant, with Detpack's Adelaide facility seeing the installation of new bag forming and end-of-line equipment to build capacity. The bag itself is made from 70% recycled paper in conjunction with unrecycled paper, of course, virgin material, to provide a structure strong enough to carry up to 6 kilograms of groceries. We've also had news this week of a number of brands taking sustainable packaging action, which is very exciting to hear. Firstly, Nestlé has switched to recyclable paper packaging supplied by Amcor for its entire Smarties confectionery range in Australia. And this has seen it upgrade its manufacturing lines at its Campbellfield facility in New South Wales to accommodate the material change. The new packaging is made from sustainably sourced, of course, thermoformable paper and is dynamic enough to be printed on with either flexographic or gravure technology and finished with a heat or cold seal adhesive. So quite an advance there from Amcor. Then, global toy company Hasbro says it has plans to eliminate all plastic packaging for new products by the end of 2022, that's around the corner, and has introduced 2 new products that will bring sustainability to family game night, Monopoly Go Green and Mr. Potato Head Goes Green. Now, these latest developments are another step in Hasbro's greater sustainability ambitions, which is a journey that the company embarked upon over a number of years ago, a decade ago in fact, with firstly eliminating tissue paper in shipping cartons and the poly bags for instruction sheets, among other things. And then Bondi Sands is taking steps to become more sustainable and to limit its plastic footprint through its recent partnership with the Take 3 for the Sea charity. To support this initiative, $3 from every product order on the Bondi Sands website until 30th of April will be donated to Take 3 for the Sea, an organization committed to cleaning up packaging pollution in the ocean. Now, on the education front, we've had some good news from the Australasian Bioplastics Association, which in partnership with the Australian Institute of Packaging has launched a new annual scholarship program for Australia and New Zealand. This will enable one eligible candidate to undertake a diploma in packaging technology valued at $9,000 and a second person to undertake a certificate in packaging, which is valued at $7,000. So thanks to the ABA and the AIP for making that education possible. And last but not least, in a record year of entries, the annual Australasian PIDA Awards program, Packaging Innovation and Design Awards, coordinated by the AIP, has announced the finalists for 2021 across 11 categories. The extensive list represents the cream of the crop in packaging design innovation and industry contribution for 2021. Congratulations from PKN to all the finalists, and as the exclusive media partner, we look forward to bringing you news of the winners on the 25th and 26th of May. You can find out more about this and other stories on our website, packagingnews.com.au. And on that positive note, I'm heading off to Woolies with my paper bag to buy some Smarties, also in a paper bag. That's it from me, Lindy Hewson, signing off for another week.